Prompting ChatGPT is one of the problems we face as publishers. As a beginner, understanding how to instruct ChatGPT to give you the best results is really going to help you go far in this publishing business. One of the mistakes made by publishers, especially newbies, is that they don't take time to learn how to prompt ChatGPT the right way to get accurate content for their books. But not to worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to prompt ChatGPT the right way to get the best results and content for your books. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Legal Naira, and all I do every day is to put a smile on your face and money in your bank account by teaching you different legitimate ways to make money online and offline. If this is something you are interested in, like this video, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time I post awesome videos like this, you're going to get notified by YouTube. ChatGPT is an AI writing assistant that assists you in writing content. Unlike before, you can just get content from ChatGPT, arrange it, format it properly, and upload it as a book on Amazon KDP. But today, Amazon is against that. Recently, Amazon released a new content guideline or an updated content guideline explaining that they don't want people to use AI content exactly the way they copy it. Although they didn't spell it out explicitly like this, they used some words to explain it. In one of the new guidelines, they said they don't want you to use words that have repeatedly been used in a content or in a sentence. And as you and I know, when you use AI to write and you don't paraphrase properly, AI repeats words too often within content. For example, there's this particular word that ChatGPT is fond of using, tapestry. If you are not conversant or you don't know how to use ChatGPT the right way, your entire book will be filled with this particular word, and this is how they can detect that you use AI to write the book. However, understanding how to prompt ChatGPT the right way would help you get accurate content without repetitive words. This way, if you add human feel to it by paraphrasing manually, you are going to get perfect content that is going to pass Amazon review. So, if you are part of those that are facing issues or do not understand how to prompt ChatGPT to get the best output, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end, because I'm going to open your mind and teach you everything step by step. At the end of this video, I'm also going to give you the exact prompt I use to get the exact result I got. You need to understand that ChatGPT uses machine learning. Machine learning in the sense that you need to teach ChatGPT what you want it to deliver to you and how you want it to deliver it to you. This is done based on your prompt. Prompt means instructions. The instructions you input into ChatGPT would determine what it will give you as an output. So the more comprehensive your instruction, the better and more comprehensive or in-depth the results would be. To begin, you need to understand that your duty as the content writer or publisher is to teach ChatGPT what you want it to know and how you want it to deliver to you. The first thing we need to understand in prompting is the teaching stage. In this teaching stage, you would explain everything you want to do so that ChatGPT will understand. I always explain it like I'm talking to my houseboy. Let's say I have my houseboy and I feel like eating jollof rice. Let's say his name is Legal. I'll call him, "Hey Legal, I want to eat jollof rice. And you know, I don't like eating meat. I'll prefer fish. So take this money, go to the market, buy ingredients and other things that you can use to spice up the jollof rice so that it will be delicious when you finish cooking it. Make sure to cook 4 plates. Don't put ingredients for more than 4 plates. When you finish cooking, let me know because I like to eat it hot." As you can see what I just did here, I gave Legal the exact instruction the way I want him to prepare this jollof rice for me. I can go further to say, please add very little pepper and a lot of curry because I don't like eating pepper. If you are following this prompt, you will see that the more detail I'm giving this my houseboy, the better the output, or the more delicious the jollof rice will be channeled to the way I want it to be prepared. I've told him to go to the market. I told him what to buy at the market. I told him what to do. I told him how many plates I want. I told him what I want as spice. I told him the level of pepper I want. All this information will be followed by this houseboy, and he will prepare me the exact type of jollof rice that I want. This is exactly how ChatGPT works. And to buttress my point, before I tell the houseboy to go, I'll ask him, hey, legal, do you understand everything I said? He would then tell me, yes, Oga, you said I should buy this, I should buy that, I should go to the market, I should prepare the food for 4 people, I should do this, I should do that. He would explain it back to me, then I'll know that, yes, he understands. I'll now tell him, you can now go. This is exactly how you should use ChatGPT. Let's head straight to ChatGPT and make this practical. This is ChatGPT and I have my prompt ready. Let me just paste it here and you can pause the video to read it. I start by saying, I'm writing a book for real estate investing targeted to young adults looking to start or invest in real estate. You see that this is a clear statement. I am teaching ChatGPT what I want it to know based on what I want to do. I continue by saying, the book should contain what real estate means, its earning potential, benefits, and how to get started. Did you see that? Now I'm giving ChatGPT my instructions. This is the prompt. Just the way I was telling my houseboy that he should go to the market and buy this and buy fish and buy that. That's exactly what I'm doing here now. I continue by saying, act as a professional real estate investor and write a comprehensive book introduction using the information above. Then I conclude by saying, don't write anything yet. Let me know if you understand what I want. This is how you should prompt ChatGPT. After you tell it exactly what you want it to do, then you will tell it not to write yet. It should confirm that it understands what you want. When it confirms, if you are okay with its confirmation, you can now tell it to start writing. If you are not okay, you can either rewrite the prompt or regenerate it. So now I'm going to hit enter to see if ChatGPT understands what I want. As you can see, ChatGPT just responded by saying, got it. You are looking for a comprehensive book introduction on real estate investing targeted towards young adults. You want the introduction to cover what real estate means, its earning potential, benefits, and how to get started. As a professional real estate investor, I'll craft an introduction that addresses these points. Let me know if you need any further clarification for the tone or style of writing. Now you see, ChatGPT is telling me now that it understands what I want. Now let me prompt it to start writing. I said, yes, that's right. You can now start writing with clarity, emotion, and perplexity. Make it flow because this book will be read by humans. Did you see what I did there? After it has told me that it understands what I want, I now told it the way I want it to write for me. I said you should write it with clarity, emotion, and perplexity. You can use any other type of word to qualify yours based on the kind of output you want it to write. And I said, make it flow because the book will be read by humans. Then I hit enter. You will see the way to write this thing for me now. It will write it with so much emotion such that the reader would enjoy reading it. And I would only need to do very little edits and paraphrasing to make this content sound human. Now, let's quickly read the first paragraph of what ChatGPT gave us. Introduction. Welcome to the world of real estate investing, where opportunity awaits and dreams are transformed into tangible assets. Did you see that? You cannot really tell if this was written by AI. It says, if you are reading this, you are likely a young adult eager to embark on the journey of building wealth through real estate. A journey filled with excitement, challenges, and unparalleled rewards. As you can see, this is great. Even if I want to rewrite this, I'm only going to just change very few things. It already sounds like what human wrote. But what exactly is real estate investing? As you can see, I didn't tell it to define real estate investing, but because I told it to add emotion and clarity, it is already doing that. At its core, it's the art of acquiring, owning, and managing properties with the goal of generating income and building equity. It's about recognizing the potential in bricks and mortar and harnessing it to create a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Can you see what I'm saying? ChatGPT is a very powerful tool if you know how to prompt it the right way. I can't read the entire introduction, but you can use this same prompt. You can pause the video, copy out this prompt, and channel it towards writing your own type of book. Use this method to write all the chapters of your book from beginning to end. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something new today, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so that the next time I post videos like this, YouTube will notify you instantly. Leave a comment below if you have any question, and I'll try my best to respond as fast as I can. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.